What's up guys, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. By popular demand, we're talking about Polygon again today in its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well recently. It's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. In any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So just as a quick thing before we begin, guys, we've had a lot of people signing up to our Webull affiliate link recently, which is absolutely amazing. You'll get 2 free stocks if you sign up for via our link in the description below and deposit $100. We've had basically well over 100 people signing up for basically signing up via the link. But just remember, as a little caveat, that you do have to actually deposit the $100 first before you get the 2 free stocks. You can actually withdraw the money straight after you've done this. So you can basically get 2 free stocks valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But just as a quick caveat, you do actually have to deposit the $100. We've got a lot of people, according to our basically our affiliate link tracking, that have basically signed up but not deposited. And we've had a few people getting in touch with us basically saying that they haven't received them. And this is most likely because you haven't actually deposited the $100 to get the 2 free stocks. You quite literally just have to sign up via the link, deposit $100 into the account, and then you'll get the 2 free stocks. As we said, they could be both valued up to $1,600 each. And then you could basically withdraw the money if you want to, or do whatever you want. You'll get the 2 free stocks. You can sell them, keep them, do whatever you want with them. But they are completely free. So just keep that in mind, guys. We've had quite a few people getting in touch asking about this, so we just wanted to clear it up in this video. So hopefully all the people that need to hear this. We appreciate you all so much. So taking a look at Polygon, we can quite clearly see that recently the price action has been absolutely insane. Obviously, at points like this in the market where there's been a huge correction, like we've said in previous videos, it does pay to zoom out and take a look at what you're looking at. And as we can see, Polygon is basically a massive hockey stick right now. It's looking very, very strong. It's actually fared very well in the face of the recent market-wide correction. As we can see, its price is still well over $1.50. And basically a month or so ago, if anyone said, oh, $1.50, that's a massive correction to the downside, I'm not happy with that, you would have been absolutely kidding yourself, because around a month ago from now, Polygon was at around 30 cents, as we can see here. So basically a 5x from now, basically a 5x in a month from now, and it was around a 10x to the all-time high of around, what is this, $1.70? That'd be around a 9x from 30 cents. So that is an incredible gain. And the fact that we're still trading so high is a testament to how strong Polygon has become recently. Obviously, everyone is well aware of the issues that are facing Ethereum. Ethereum is basically doing very poorly in terms of its scalability and transaction fees. I think transaction fees are just insane at this point. $300 to $400 for a smart contract transaction is obviously too much. Whereas with Matic or Polygon, as we can see quite clearly, if you've done any transactions recently on Polygon, the fees are like 0.001 Matic, which is like literally cents. So it's incredible to see how well Matic is doing. It seems as though it is cooling off and having a bit of cooling off to the downside here, as we can see. We did say in a previous video, look how well this channel is actually being respected. We can quite clearly see that there's a huge amount of demand for Polygon under $1.50, as there's a very strong resistance here that has been bouncing off even with this huge market-wide correction. We did see a double bottom that wicked well below 150, but has actually been bought back up all the way to around this $1.60 level. So there's a very strong resistance here, as we can imagine. Also, when you take a look at this, basically this channel that we outlined before, that we've said in previous videos, it was ranging inside this channel, broke out, retested it as support here, had a massive run to the upside, came down, basically fell into the channel, retested the channel as support, found a really good support here in the channel and along this 150 line, and then obviously we bounced back up and then we have actually been falling back down inside the channel now. But it does seem as though Polygon does have a massive amount of resistance at around 150 here, so we can't imagine it going any lower than this unless there's some kind of cataclysmic event in the crypto space. But obviously short term, it's very difficult to predict what's going to happen price prediction wise, just because Bitcoin is, Bitcoin is quite literally leading them, quite obviously leading the market. So it's very, very difficult to say what's going to happen. We don't think that the bull market is over, and we would like to allay everyone's fears about that. We don't think that we're entering a bear market just yet. We have seen some very bearish action recently, but we do think it's by and large a large scale market manipulation tactic to try and shake people out of the market. We're currently in a period of extreme fear in cryptocurrency, and this hasn't happened since the capitulation in March 2020 when there was an actual pandemic. So it's crazy to think that a pandemic and the current fear in the market are on the same level in terms of the fear index, which is absolutely ridiculous when you consider that all the bullish news that's been happening for cryptocurrency and the fact that we are in quite a clear bull market. It's crazy that all the FUD coming out recently has led to extreme fear in terms of the Bitcoin index. But it's very important to remember that every single cryptocurrency cycle that has ended has always ended with extreme euphoria, which is the opposite of extreme fear. We've seen huge amounts of greed, which leads to blow off tops. This is what happened in 2017 and 2013. So it seems very unlikely to us that the market is just going to fizzle out with extreme fear, especially when you consider the sheer amount of interest that there is in cryptocurrency now. Obviously, there's been a large amount of viewership for our channel because there's been such a huge demand for cryptocurrency content. We'd just like to say a shout out to everyone that's been supporting us. By the way, you're all amazing. So obviously, there's a massive, massive demand, and there's a huge amount of attention on cryptocurrency in general in the past year or so. And this isn't slowing down. In fact, there's been even more SEO results for cryptocurrency in the past few months, despite the price going down. So to us, it just all screams of manipulation in the market. These big players trying to shake all of the new retail investors out. And this is something that did actually happen. Our research showed us that basically pretty much 80% of the wallets that capitulated and sold were made in the past 6 months or so. Whilst any wallets that were older than this, or with wallets with huge, larger amounts of crypto, were actually by and large buying this dip. So as we can see, there's a definite advantage trying to be taken of retail investors. So we would advise you to do your own research. Basically, don't panic when these things happen. When in doubt, zoom out. As we can see here, things are still looking very, very good from my point of view. Congratulations to everyone that bought Matic at the start of the year. You'd still be up 150x or so from that price. So massive, massive congratulations to you. Basically, we're just trying to allay everyone's fears here. Not financial advice, of course, but we don't think the bull market is over by a long stretch. We do think that there have been coordinated attempts to attack the market and basically shake out retail investors. So basically, do your own research. Don't panic. Take a look at the facts. Zoom out and just take a look at what you're holding. If you feel like what you're holding is too risky, maybe you want to move some money into some more basically blue chip cryptocurrencies that are going to do well in the long term. If you feel like you're holding too many meme coins, for example, which we've actually seen from some people that have got in touch with us, they basically got way too overexposed to meme coins, thinking they pump forever, and then they traded all their money out of their top projects, such as Ethereum Cardano, Ethereum Cardano, for example, and Polkadot, traded out of these into some meme projects that got absolutely destroyed when the market had this huge correction. And basically, not financial advice, but obviously you want to be getting in for the long term into projects that have good long-term prospects. So this is our update for Polygon today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently, only 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and not to mention a 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.